Meet Michael. He's 36, married, 2 kids, living in Alpharetta. He was making $85,000 a year as a marketing manager. Good salary, 401k match, health insurance, stability. But he felt stuck. He wanted more. He wanted to be wealthy, not just comfortable. He started listening to podcasts and following influencers who said, you need to leverage debt, chase high-risk investments, buy the dip on hot stocks and scale fast. Cash is trash. Debt is leverage. Risk is how you win. Michael believed it. He refinanced his house for cash out, put it into crypto and meme stocks, started day trading, took on credit card debt to invest in himself. 6 months later, his net worth is down $42,000. He's paying $1,200 per month in interest alone. His marriage is strained from the stress. The world sold Michael a lie about wealth, and it almost cost him everything. My name is David, and I spend way too much time exposing money myths that trap believers. If the world has you chasing the wrong definition of wealth, hit subscribe and thumbs up. This is for you. In under 5 minutes, the top 5 lies the world tells you about wealth, and the biblical truth that sets you free. Lie number 5. More money just means more problems. It's better to stay poor and humble. Truth. Money doesn't create problems. Mismanagement and greed do. Proverbs 10:22. The blessing of the Lord makes rich, and he adds no sorrow with it. Why the lie hurts. It makes Christians feel guilty for wanting financial stability or success. How to reject it. Pursue wealth with a pure heart. Use it to bless others, tithe, invest wisely. God can bless you richly without sorrow. Lie number 4. You need debt, credit cards, loans, leverage to build wealth. Cash is for losers. Truth. Debt makes you a slave. Proverbs 22:7. The borrower is slave to the lender. Romans 13:8. Owe no one anything. Why it's dangerous. Debt steals margin and peace. How to reject it. Build wealth debt-free, save aggressively, live below means. Freedom from debt lets you serve God fully. Lie number 3. Rich people are greedy, selfish, or evil. Wealth corrupts. Truth. Wealth doesn't corrupt. The love of money does. 1 Timothy 6:10. Abraham, Job, David, Solomon were rich and righteous. Why the lie hurts. It makes Christians afraid to grow or feel guilty for success. How to reject it. Pursue wealth to be a blessing. Give generously. Fund ministry. Help the poor. Lie number 2. To get rich, you have to sacrifice family time, health, or faith. Truth. True wealth includes peace, relationships, and closeness with God. Mark 8:36. What good is it to gain the whole world and forfeit your soul? Why it's a lie. The world glorifies hustle culture. God values balance and rest. How to reject it. Work hard but prioritize Sabbath, family, prayer. Wealth without joy is poverty. Lie number 1. Money buys happiness. If you just had more, you'd be content. Truth. Happiness comes from God, not stuff. Ecclesiastes 5:10. Whoever loves money never has enough. Philippians 4:11-13. Paul learned contentment in any circumstance. Why it's the biggest lie. It keeps people chasing forever. How to reject it. Practice gratitude. Give generously. Find joy in Christ alone. The world lies about money to keep you trapped in discontent. God tells the truth. Wealth is a tool for good, not the goal. Reject the lies today. Pursue diligent, generous, faithful stewardship. Comment below. Which lie has influenced you most? What's your first step to break free? Subscribe for more biblical finance truth. Hit the bell. May the Lord replace lies with truth and bless you with real abundance.